Welcome to today's guide on how to view your Pinterest password. If you've ever found yourself in that tricky spot of forgetting your password but needing to access it, this updated method will help you out. Let's dive straight into the steps. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're on the main screen, look for the profile icon. It's usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. This will take you to your saved pins and boards. Next, you'll need to navigate to your account settings. On your profile page, look for three horizontal dots. Tap on those dots to open up a menu, and from that menu, select Settings. This is where you can make changes to your account preferences and find the password settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, the next step is to find Account Management. Tap on it to proceed. Here you'll find several options related to managing your account, including personal information and login details. In the Account Management section, you should see an option labeled Password. Tap on Password to access the password settings. You'll be prompted to enter your current password. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can view or change your password. Here's the key part. If you've previously saved your password, it will likely appear on your screen, auto-filled by your device's password manager or the Pinterest app itself. Look for a small eye icon within the password field. Tap on this eye icon to reveal your saved password. This allows you to see exactly what you've been using to log in. If your password doesn't automatically appear, it means it hasn't been saved on your device or within the app. In this case, you may need to reset your password. To do this, return to the login screen and click on Forgot Your Password. Follow the prompts to reset it via your email address. And that's it. You've successfully located your Pinterest password. Remember to keep your password in a safe place, or consider using a password manager to store it securely. By following these steps, you can easily retrieve your Pinterest password whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.